Sun's out, guns out. I don't know what that is. So how's everyone enjoying their long weekend, Easter Monday? No doubt sitting at home, having a barbie on the piss maybe. I'm doing my usual Groundhog Day to the shop to get a bottle of wine because my other half just got back and forgot to get me a bottle of wine. Got themselves a goon sack. You know, if you want a job done properly, do it yourself. Doing a vlog a day is very difficult if you haven't planned ahead. Like, I don't know what I'm talking about. G'day, Matabro. That's the future plan. Sell this place eventually when I've made a couple of bucks from it, and then look at buying a block of land for a small self-sufficient home, big shed for bikes and stuff. I put a TV in there, put a place where the boys can throw their swags down when they come visit, get on the piss and whatnot. That would be awesome. So peaceful. Ride the dirt bikes around there. Heaps better than living in like suburbia. It's just gonna pull out. That's the future. They're the future plans. Decent sized bit of land, but I don't know where. The problem is we've got to be able to get to work. How far are you willing to travel? Like one of those things where you either get a job where you can work from home, or you know, find that perfect block of land and try and find a job in the area, wherever that happens to be. So it's got to be a happy mix of. Alright, I got my organic Shiraz wine, gluten free, not that that matters. I actually get it because it doesn't give me a hangover because it's got no real preservatives in there. This is what my life has become. Diary of wine and food. So boring. Oh, I've been looking at cameras actually. The Osmo, Action Osmo, whatever it's called. DJI camera. As opposed to the GoPro, say, Hero 7 or 8. I'm not going to get an 8 because I refuse to pay that much money for a camera that I don't think is any more special than the 7 for what I need it for anyway. The only thing that's making me think about the 7 is the fact you can live stream. I could literally set it up, press play, live stream it to Facey or YouTube. You can't do that on the Osmo. Other than that, I think they're pretty much compatible. I'm not like a massive camera geek, so I just want something to go on my helmet that has stabilization, decent audio. You know, I attach a mic to it anyway, and because at the moment I'm using a Ghost Drift on the helmet and Hero 4. That's what I'll be doing tonight, just working out what I want. Action camera shopping. Action camera window shopping. Dangerous though, because then you mix in the bottle of red and it's like, ooh, I can afford that now. Purchase. Anyways, as usual, that is me for today. I got nothing of a shit to talk about. Alright, hope everyone has the rest of a good day, afternoon, evening for their Easter, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Alright, catches.